Hello everyone, and welcome to the Deque Overview lecture. So, we've gotten overviews on stacks and queues, and we've also done our own implementations of stack and queue classes. So, now let's learn about the Deque linear data structure. A deque, also known as a double-ended queue, is an ordered collection of items similar to the queue. It has two ends, a front and a rear, and the items remain positioned in the collection. What makes a deque different is the unrestricted nature of adding and removing items. New items can be added at either the front or the rear, so that's a huge difference between a deque and a queue or a stack. We can add items either to the front or the rear of the deque. Likewise, existing items can be removed from either end. So in a sense, this hybrid linear structure provides all the capabilities of stacks and queues in a single data structure. It's important to note that even though the deque can assume many of the characteristics of stacks and queues, it does not require the last in first out and first in first out orderings that are enforced by those data structures. So it's completely up to you to make consistent use of the addition and removal operations. Okay, so let's go ahead and see a diagram of this. So here's just a really simple diagram of what a deque looks like. You'll notice it looks similar to a queue, but in this case, we can add and remove items from either end, either the front or the back. So that's a pretty big difference. So let's learn how to implement a deque in the next lecture. Okay, so I'll see you at the next lecture. Remember that a deque, as just a review, the main difference is that you can add items from either end and remove items from either end. So let's go see how we can implement that. Thanks, and I'll see you at the next lecture.